by one person alone. It is carried by a family who say yes, like you, to God every day. And because of your faithfulness, many of us are growing in our walk with Christ. Thank you so much. Please accept our token of appreciation. Though it can never equal all that you have poured into this type of ministry, it carries our love, our prayers, and our deep gratitude for your faithful service to the Lord. Pastor Robert and family, thank you so much.
Wala ka naman. You're welcome.
For these days, we have laughed together, prayed together, worshiped together, and encountered God together. But more than the activities, what made this retreat truly special is this. We saw families growing closer, not just to each other, but closer to Jesus. The Bible reminds us again and again, Philippians 1:6. And today we celebrate that truth in every family here. God has started a good work in your homes, and He is faithful to continue it. To all our families, thank you for allowing God to move in your lives. Thank you for being open to His Word. Thank you for choosing forgiveness, love, and unity. Thank you for building homes centered on Christ. May this retreat not be the end, but the beginning of something greater. A beginning of deeper prayer in your homes, stronger relationships, and a more intentional walk with Jesus as a family. As you go back to your daily lives, may you, she's crying out, may you carry this truth. Your family is a work in progress. Your story is still being written, and your God is faithful to finish what He started. On behalf of the grateful followers of Jesus Online Ministry, we honor you, we appreciate you, and we thank God for each and every one of your families. Let's give a big round of